WOLF stock analysis and Wolf stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with Wolfspeed. Now, it's super interesting for me, especially because, you know, it's kind of going exactly to what I kind of expected. Well, you know, having done 42,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially now, yeah, it's just a bearish market made. And not saying this in like a bad way, because you can see like I started selling this when it was 10 bucks. And I got like 4 sells on the downside, and all of them correct, like not even lying. Like you can check this thing out. 10 of December when it was made, 10:06 is where we're sitting at. It's just since then kept melting. I mean, needless to say, if there is no second break, I'm not gonna sell. First break already happened, so all I'm doing is just waiting for the second one, and that's next week. And obviously this could shift, therefore I'm not gonna sell if it does shift. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.